In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Dropbox folder to ensure your data remains secure and protected from unauthorized access. Whether you're protecting sensitive work documents or personal files, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right in. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account on your computer. Once you're on your Dropbox homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already used to it. This will help you navigate smoothly through the upcoming steps. Next, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a list of options. Locate and click on Folders. This action will open a comprehensive list of all your stored folders. Here, you'll want to identify and choose the specific folder you wish to lock. Make sure it's the correct one, as these security measures are crucial for keeping unauthorized access at bay. Once you've selected the desired folder, you'll notice a small gear icon right next to the folder's name. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will select Manage Permissions. This is a pivotal step in controlling who has access to your files. As you proceed, you'll once again find a gear icon. Clicking this will lead you to the option Go to Admin Console. Once you select this, a new tab will open, taking you directly to the Admin Console. This is where more advanced settings are adjusted, putting more control into your hands. Now, within the Admin Console, navigate to the folder you initially selected. Here, click on the three dots icon to bring up another set of options. Select Manage Access from the menu. This is where you'll have the power to control who can view or edit your files. As you continue, you'll see yet another gear icon. Click it, and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu next to Manage Access. Choose Only Team Admins from this drop-down if you want to limit access strictly to certain admin users. This setting is extremely useful for maintaining strict confidentiality over crucial files. Finally, the most important step. Don't forget to hit Save to ensure all your changes are updated. It's a simple click, but crucial to ensure your security settings are applied. And there you have it, an easy way to lock your Dropbox folder. By following these steps, you can have peace of mind knowing your files are secure. Be sure to review your security settings periodically and adjust them as necessary. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks.